The Kingdom of Debre Zeit staged a peaceful protest outside Jamaica's parliament this week, igniting fresh calls for the nation to shed its colonial ties and chart a path toward true sovereignty. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
Human rights, equal rights for all.
Rastafarian human rights group Kingdom of Debre Zeit staged a peaceful protest outside of Gordon House on Tuesday. They are calling on the government to end colonial rule in Jamaica and remove the British Monarchy as head of state.
Our problem is the colonial system that exists. And we the people know that the decolonization treaty, the 1960 1514 resolution, outlawed all form of colonial government. Under Article 1 of the decolonization treaty, it clearly states the subjection of people to alien subjugation, domination and exploitation constitute a denial of fundamental human rights. It tells every single living being in Jamaica, say look here, they are man, they are England and talk about their own crown land. They might dominate, they might exploit your land. It's a human rights violation.
No more British imposter. No more.
The group is also calling for the government to observe the fundamental human rights of all citizens of Jamaica.
1. A higher standard of living. Article 3. Everyone has the right to life, liberty and security of person. That security means their political status. It don't mean JLP and PNP. We the people have the right to self-determination. Under international law, the will of the people shall be the basis authority of all government. We never express no will and desire, so we want a white man to run the country. And we are here to decolonize Jamaica under the decolonization treaty, so our people can have a higher standard of living, the right to life, where our people can know that they are worthy of human existence within the society. And the state must protect our people. Under Article 16, we state that man and woman have legal age of the right to marry and found a family. We as a Jamaican family have the right to own the land where we born and grow in, not some man in England.
I am Marlon Samuels reporting for the news on PBCJ.